All right, guys, welcome back. 71 Chevy, getting that pan dropped for the transmission. I got this seal kit off of Amazon for $19.99. Came with extra seals. Even came with the seals that if you have a newer Turbo 350, this one will work instead of using the actual O-rings. I tried to get them from AutoZone and O'Reilly's, but for some reason they don't have any pan gaskets for any of these years from 71 to like 80 something. So I guess they didn't have it. So I had to go on Amazon and got it in within like 2 days or so. And that's what I'm going to use. It came with a cork gasket, which, I mean, for $19.99, I'm going to deal with it. So let's go verify this transmission right now. I know it's the Turbo 350 because it's not the full square. It's the 3 corners of the square, and then it has the little triangle that's on the square. And I'll put another little picture-in-picture to verify that that's where I got it from. And I already kind of knew by looking at it. So let's get started now on the 71. All right, just getting set up here. Just from it sitting here while I'm trying to find some tools. It's already leaking that much. Should be simple, it's 1/2 inch socket, etc. Take it off. It's my first time doing transmission pan on a Turbo 350 or any transmission, so the only thing that sucks, like I said, there is no drain, so whatever's in the pan is gonna fall down. I do have this to catch it, this, and we'll be using these, and that's about it. I'll get back to it when I'm about to drop it. I'll set it up and let's see if I get splashed on. All right, guys, took the last bolt out. I was gonna kind of show how I was gonna move it, but it kind of fell down by itself. So let's see. Still not wanting to come out. All right, pan's down finally. I had to take this drive axle out, lowered it from right there, and it slid out a little bit more easier than having it up. All right, guys, here's the pan. Very sludgy-ish. I don't know, hopefully, I don't think that's metal. Just sludge. That's thick. Almost feels like mud. All right, we're gonna clean this up and see what happens next. All right, so. Wow, that's crazy. All right, now I'm just gonna clean all this and get it done. All right, I went a little extra on this, but I seen this. If you guys can maybe read that. VIN number right here, so pretty much clean. Probably just quick little wipe down before I put the cork gasket on here. Alright, quick little primer paint, and then I'm gonna shoot it with black whenever this thing gets dried out. It's outside, so we'll see how long that takes to dry. Alright, so I'm back here again. Wasted time cleaning that pan to paint it. Don't ask me why. Looks like it's 2 flatheads to take off the trans filter, and then I'm going to spray in some brake clean to clean all of this. It's actually for one of the O-rings. This comes off, and this is for the park selector or the gear selector. This comes off, all this pops off. This bolt right here comes off from here, and I believe this piece will also come off, because we got to get to this bolt that's right here, so this pin will drop out, and that's what I'm working on now. Alright, so now at the point I'm putting the filter, gasket, and newly painted, all nice and clean. I'm also going to throw this magnet in here. I should. Sits like this. You can kind of see where the filter was sitting at. I'm going to try to get it. One off the old filter, it says front. I had to like almost verify it because it doesn't say anything on it. new install of that. And like I said, I touched that shift seal. Already filled it up with like 4.5 or I think 5.5 quarts of oil. The line's filled up. I haven't actually test drove it yet, and I don't think there's any leaks. But it's in gear, neutral, drive. Goes in. It's going in the gear, so that's good. Didn't mess up anything there. Gonna attempt to back it up and look at that trans pan. The brakes, they work. Shift seal's holding up. No leaks. Alright. Still running. No leaks yet. Alright guys, thanks for watching Drunk to Driven. Hope to see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, or comment if you like what you guys are seeing. Thanks again. Have a good day.